So here we go. We've got our compliance center here and the standard adherence checks dashboard. We are going to go in Rails features and enable standards adherence dashboard v2 feature flag, which will mean this now launches like this. We've recently added a banner, and now we are adding a toggle to switch between versions. I've added this as a placeholder. It's basically just the other report, but it doesn't load anything. And here we can now switch between the old, which is still current, and the to be new standards dashboard. So yeah, that's all that is to this.